Amber, my first question is, many health experts advise us to follow a low fat diet. But can humans thrive without adequate fat consumption?
Well, of course they can't strive without adequate fat, but the question really is how much fat do we need for it to be adequate, right? Um, I think now that we have had access to a lot of carbohydrates from grain and other sources that we didn't have as much access to in most of our evolution, we're able to get a lot of energy that we might not have been able to get before without as much fat, but that doesn't mean that eating fat is bad for us or that eating fat um, isn't necessary. So there are definitely some kinds of fat that are more necessary than others. But saturated fat, for example, which is the one that a lot of people are speaking badly about, is it's not considered essential because our bodies can make it, but that doesn't mean that it doesn't benefit us to eat more. And in fact, the more saturated fat that you eat, the less that your body has to make and the less that is in your blood. So if you're worried about saturated fat in your blood, for example, eating more doesn't necessarily raise that. Subscribe to BNS Goku Great.